Hello, family. Today I'm going to make a honey garlic glazed chicken. Um, I saw Brandy Joe's channel on YouTube and she made it, and I thought, I got to make this. That looked really good. I'll put her video link in the description, so check her out. Let's do this. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the sauce. And I have the oven on 375, and I have chicken thighs, boneless, no skin. I will soak them overnight in milk because that helps tenderize it. And I rinsed them off and dried them with paper towel. Now we're going to make the sauce. I am going to melt this in the microwave. Okay, I melted 8 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. We're going to add that. And then I'm going to add to that a cup of honey. And what I did was I rinsed this out with hot water before I put the honey in it, so it came out easier. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of mustard. And 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 teaspoons seems like a lot, but we'll see. A little less. Now here's where I'm going to change it. She put 2 teaspoons of curry powder in it, but I don't think anybody in my home, my husband or my friend, will eat curry powder. So I'm going to switch it up, and I'm going to put paprika. It'll be good. We have paprika and chicken all the time. I'm also going to put a little pepper in it. Some garlic powder. Probably about, I don't know, it was a couple teaspoons maybe. Some onion powder. About a 1/2 teaspoon is what I put in there. I'm going to mix this up. It looked really good. And then I'm going to, I'm just going to record the chicken. But when my girlfriend comes for dinner, I'm going to, I had some potatoes that I cubed up, I partially cooked them and cubed them up and put them in the freezer. And then what I'll do is I'll put those in the air fryer, mix some oil, olive oil and seasonings with that, and put those in the air fryer, and then maybe some corn or something. But right now we're just going to do the chicken. Okay, we got that. Now, I've got my pan here. I am going to put the chicken. Let me get this out here. Move this stuff so you can see. Okay, I'm going to put the chicken in here. I'm going to give this a toss. Just kind of mix it up. And we're just going to put it in the baking dish here. I don't know if she greased the pan or not, but there's plenty of butter in this, melted butter in this, so that would be your grease, your oil. Okay, now we're just going to pour the rest of the sauce over this. And, okay, we're going to put this in the oven for 1 hour. And we'll be back. Okay, I had it in for 1 hour and 10 minutes because my oven's a little slow. So, but yeah, this looks really delicious. Let's plate this up. Whoops, it's falling apart. It is so tender, you guys. Okay. Let's get some of these delicious juices here. There you go. Let's try this. Take a big bite. First bite. It's so tender. Cuts with a fork. Oh, sorry about that. That was my fish jumping. Mm. Mm-hmm. This is really good. Mm. Yep. Really good. Thanks, Franny. Go check out her channel. And her son has a channel, and he's a great cook, too. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.